Hi, so I bought this X-Wing toy from a second-hand shop. You can see it's got stickers on it, and that's what it should look like. But this toy was obviously, it was missing a lot of stickers. You can see it here, probably made recently, not an old toy. But it just doesn't look like the X-Wing in movies. So I thought I would transform this plastic hollow toy into something that you could actually, film with, or, do something with, more collectible than it is. So yeah, I'm just showing you what it looks like now. All the stickers and I just got rid of all the stickers. Anyway, I'm using some Milliput, which is really hard drying clay, into some of the places where there's some screws, because I want to hide the screws, because that doesn't look good at all. So I'm using some Milliput and a little scraper tool here to get rid of that. And the next phase was to get the stickers off, but then create stencils for the stickers, so I had the right size stickers. So I got some matte paint here, kit paint, and I removed the stickers, and then I cut out transfers. This is one for the wing, so I cut that out of cardboard so I could paint the stickers on. This one I didn't use a stencil. In fact, the yellow, I think I got rid of most of the yellow, actually, because I wanted to recreate the first X-Wing in The New Hope, and I didn't really have a lot of yellow. Here I'm using a little tool here to sand down some of the paint I just put on, because I thought it was too vibrant, too clean. Here I'm using an oil-based paint, which I shouldn't have done because it's glossy. I did end up removing most of this gloss paint and using acrylic in the end. So this is just kind of pointless, really. I was using all this gloss paint, but I got rid of it. And now here I'm using some acrylic black paint. I was experimenting with this because some of the gloss actually gave the effect of an oil leak, and some of the acrylic paint was just sort of burn marks. So here I am, just going over the whole model, painting and washing, and I saw this little UK or European sort of safety mark, so I used my sander tool here to get rid of that, because that's not it's not in the films. So I got rid of that. I got rid of some of the marks I made already with the sander. I had to keep going back and forward with the sander to get rid of some marks that I didn't like, and again, some of the gloss paint. I'm taking off some of the gloss paint here on this bit here, so you can see that I'm getting rid of that. It was just too shiny. I left some of it because it could be an oil leak. I'm getting rid of some of the marks here. I had fun with this for like 2 or 3 weeks working on this, and here's me using the acrylic paint again, to go back into those places where I sanded and bring some dark tones back into it again. I really enjoyed doing this project, making this little simple toy into something that looks almost film ready. Like, you could put this on a green screen and film it. That's what I wanted to do. I think I love doing this, so I might carry on doing more. So here I am using that fan brush to bring some more acrylic back into. Oh, and here it is finished. So you can see what it was before. That's what I bought, kind of a toy, and that's what I created. And I think it looks a lot more like the film than what I bought. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it, and I'm hopefully going to sell this, probably, I don't know, eBay or something like that. I don't know. So the foot still comes down. That's all painted as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to create more like this because I think it looks, good. To be honest, if I was making a Star Wars film, I would like to use this model. I think it's great.